Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I got some mail today, and it was a gift from Tammy's Passion from Kilburns Kreations sale. She said when she saw this material, I remember her saying in a chat that it was my name. It just called to her that it was me, and I can see why now that I have it in front of me. Check this out. Isn't that sweet? Definitely mixed media. I could see where she said this was made for me. It says Tammy, gift to Tina, messy. So Tammy, thank you so much. I love this. Love the colors. See, I like my dark colors, so this is really, and I love. It's like tie-dyed on a kind of thing, and don't know what I'm gonna do with it at the moment, but you will probably see it in a future project. I just want to do a quick little video and say thank you, Tammy, and thank you, KK, for sending it my way. I greatly appreciate your thoughtfulness. As always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. I will have Tammy and Kilburns Kreations channels linked in the description box below, so please go check them out, because Kilburns Kreations does have sales once in a while.